Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best bean pots is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools, especially if you're a fan of classic comfort food. These pots are designed to elevate your baked bean game, ensuring perfectly cooked beans every time. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of bean pots, exploring what makes them special and helping you find the perfect one for your kitchen. Number 5. Granite Ware 4-quart bean pot. This classic bean pot is perfect for making delicious baked beans, stews, and soups. It's a great addition to any kitchen, offering both style and functionality. Made with porcelain enamel on steel, it's lightweight and easy to handle. This construction ensures durability, making it a long-lasting addition to your cookware collection. The non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. The inert and non-porous surface ensures that food doesn't stick, and cleanup is quick and simple. This pot distributes heat evenly for consistent cooking results. It ensures your food is cooked perfectly every time, from baked beans to hearty stews. It's free from PFOA, PTFE, and other harmful chemicals, ensuring safe cooking. You can cook with peace of mind, knowing that it's a healthy choice for your family. This bean pot is proudly made in Mexico. It's a testament to quality craftsmanship and attention to detail, ready to serve you for years to come. What we like. This bean pot is lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for everyday use. Its non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-clean option for your baked beans, this is the one for you. What people say. This little bean pot will work in every situation for me. It is lightweight and will adequately hold a 16 to 20 ounce bag of dry beans for cooking. It is easy to clean, and I have had anything stick to it. Number 4. Sierra 8.25 Ceramic Bean Pot. Introducing the Sierra 72-ounce ceramic bean pot. This vibrant serving piece is perfect for hearty meals. It's hand-painted with bold, colorful stripes. With a 72-ounce capacity, it's great for gatherings. You'll have plenty to share with everyone. It's designed for everyday use with a touch of charm. This bean pot is made from high-quality ceramic. It retains heat, keeping your food warm. The lid locks in moisture and flavor. Brighten your table with its lively colors. The artisan-style detailing is inspired by traditional Mexican pottery. It goes easily from oven to table. Measuring 8.25 inches, it holds generous portions. It's ideal for potlucks and family dinners. The glaze resists stains and is easy to clean. It's microwave and dishwasher safe for convenience. Whether reheating or serving, this bean pot is up to the task. It has a charming, rustic appeal. What we like. This bean pot boasts a vibrant, hand-painted design that adds a festive touch to any meal. It retains heat exceptionally well, keeping your dishes warm for longer. If you like to serve your meals with style and convenience, this colorful pot is ideal for you. What people say. Larger than shown in photo, worth the price, good size, bright colors. She loves it. She says it keeps her soups and other dishes hot while waiting for the family to eat. Love this pot. I have it sitting on our stove and the colors just pop, coordinating with everything. Very versatile as a serving dish. Number 3. High Wind Cooking Pot, Hand-Etched, Fire Clay. This pot is made from regional high iron content red clay, perfect for healthy cooking. The clay ensures your food retains its natural flavors. The unique properties of the clay contribute to nutritious meals. It's a healthier alternative to metal cookware, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. This pot comes in elegant gift packaging, making it a perfect present. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys cooking and appreciates quality craftsmanship. Rest assured, this pot is free of heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and arsenic. It's designed with your health and safety in mind. This pot retains heat better than metal cookware. You can cook and serve directly in it for a hot, sizzling presentation. It keeps your food warmer for longer. Unlike metal cookware, this pot won't impart a metallic taste to your food, especially acidic dishes. It preserves the authentic flavors of your ingredients. This pot is incredibly versatile and can be used on gas and electric stovetops, in the oven, or even over an open fire. It's perfect for any cooking environment. What we like. This pot is made from high iron content red clay, perfect for nutritious and healthy cooking. It retains heat better than metal cookware, allowing you to cook and serve in the same pot. If you are looking for a unique cooking experience with a rustic touch, you should consider this. What people say. The size works great for me, makes enough to eat a big dinner and have lunch for the next 2 days. It gives a unique flavor to the dish. My rice has been turning out amazing with this pot. Very convenient and easy to use. Really beautiful and cute, perfect size for me and my partner. I have other clay pots, but this is the first handmade one I got, by far the highest quality. Great for chili, looking forward to try more. Gorgeous pot. I have been using it for several months. Packaged beautifully and arrived in 2 days. It's so smooth to the touch and has a somewhat iridescent, deep color. The photos really don't do it justice. Number 2. RNM 4.5 quart ceramic bean pot. This is a traditional style ceramic bean pot. It comes with a lid and is perfect for cooking beans and other dishes. It's a classic addition to any kitchen. The pot has a generous 4.5 quart capacity, or 144 ounces. This size is ideal for preparing meals for family gatherings or meal prepping. It's great for making large batches. It's made from high-fired natural ceramic. The material is durable and designed for even heating. The glaze is lead-free and cadmium-free, ensuring safety. The pot is 7.75 inches tall with the lid on, and 9.5 inches wide. The opening has a diameter of 4.25 inches. It's a practical size for various cooking needs. This bean pot is oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. This makes it easy to use and clean. However, it is not for use on stovetops. What we like. This bean pot features a classic design with a lead-free glaze, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. It's also oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe for your convenience. If you value tradition and ease of use, this bean pot is a great choice. What people say. Makes the perfect New England baked beans. Excellent pottery quality with tight-fitting lid. Nice handles for easy gripping while removing from the oven and retains heat well for transporting it to family parties. The 4.5 quart size is perfect for cooking large batches of beans, stews, soups, or even casseroles. The ceramic material ensures even heat distribution, making the cooking process smooth and efficient. I love how it retains heat and keeps food warm for a long time, which is perfect when serving guests. The craftsmanship is impressive, sturdy, well-made, and easy to clean. Plus, the lid fits snugly, keeping moisture in and enhancing the flavor of whatever I'm cooking. Number 1. Fox Run 9.75 Brown Stoneware Bean Pot. This bean pot is constructed of beautiful brown earthenware. It's scratch and stain resistant, and can withstand high temperatures. This ensures it will last for a long time. This deep, wide vessel is perfect for slow cooking. The narrow opening minimizes evaporation and heat loss. It's great for baking, cooking, and serving a variety of dishes. The 2 stay-cool handles on the side make it easy to carry. A removable lid is included to help retain heat and temperature. This design makes it convenient to use. The bean pot has a deep brown glazed finish. It adds warmth and style to any kitchen. It will look gorgeous on any table setting. The bean pot weighs 3.8 pounds. It has dimensions of 8.25 by 9.5 by 6.75 inches. This size is ideal for various cooking needs. What we like. This bean pot is constructed of durable stoneware and designed for ideal slow cooking. The deep brown glazed finish adds warmth and style to any kitchen. If you like a beautiful and functional bean pot that complements your kitchen, you should consider this. What people say. Looks like it will hold 2 pounds of dry beans. This pot will bring back fond memories besides being functional. Made perfect baked beans in the oven. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.